3 things you should consider doing before sex if at all you want to last long on top of your woman. Say 5 minutes to the time you know you want to meet your woman. When you do these 3 things, it's going to help you last long. It's going to help you to be able to satisfy your woman. And if you are the type that usually come quicker than expected, it's going to help you last long. So kindly pay rapt attention and make sure you watch the video to the end. Number 1 things you should consider doing before kerewa with your woman is you consuming glove. Okay, if you don't know what is glove, that is glove on the screen. Okay, you can consume or you can take glove thing. How will you take this thing? You can just boil water. When you boil water, you take a handful or one tablespoon of glove inside that hot water that is inside your cup, then cover it, allow it to steam together. After that, you can strain. After you strain the glove, then you add a little bit of honey to it. When the thing is a little bit cold, you consume it. You will consume it 5 to 10 minutes to the time you want to meet your woman. Trust me, if you are a man that normally consume glove tea before meeting your woman, you will perform very well. Original compound that glove contains, it helps to increase blood flow to the tips of a manhood. So because of that, it's going to help to strengthen your erection. And if you are a man that have erection dysfunction, it can also help to correct it. So that is number 1 thing you should consider taking before meeting your woman, instead of you consuming alcohol or taking drugs to enhance your sexual performance or to enhance your longevity on top of your woman. It's not healthy. There are natural tips, natural things you can do that will help you last long, that will help you perform better in the other room with your woman rather than taking alcohol and all of that. I've talked about all those things, disadvantages of you taking alcohol or taking drugs before meeting your woman. But if you still want me to make the video on this channel, let me know. Do you understand? But number 2 things you should consider doing before meeting your woman is ginger tea. Taking of ginger before meeting your woman cannot be overemphasized. All these things, these are natural herbs, natural roots, natural things you can take to enhance your sexual longevity or that can enhance your sexual performance in the other room with your woman. I have said it earlier that if you are a man that normally take alcohol, you take drugs, my darling, you are actually killing yourself gradually. So if you know that you are a man that you don't last long, you don't perform very well in the other room, let ginger tea be your best friend. You can consume raw ginger. So if you don't have powdered ginger and you want to make use of raw ginger, or if you don't have ginger tea, make use of raw ginger. All you have to do is for you to just boil water. When you place water on fire, allow it to boil very well. Then take your cup. Then you chop your ginger, okay? Chop your ginger to smaller pieces. Then pour it inside your cup. Pour the hot water that you have boiled inside that ginger that is inside your cup. Cover it for a while. Cover it for like 5 minutes. Allow it to steam together. When it steam together, you can strain. After straining it, you can add a teaspoon of honey to it. Mix everything together. Then you consume. Trust me, when you take that tea 5 to 10 minutes before meeting your woman, my darling, your woman will be asking you, what did you take? A lot of natural properties that helps to increase blood flow and also helps to strengthen your erection. And last but not the least is cucumber. Okay, cucumber. If you are a man that you ejaculate quicker than expected, always consume cucumber. It's very, very healthy for a guy that don't last long, for a guy that don't perform very well in the other room. How will you take this cucumber? You can just buy cucumber, wash it, slice it, consume it raw, or you extract the juice. When you extract the juice, you can add a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Trust me, when you add a teaspoon of lemon juice to it or your honey, mix everything together. Let everything be well mixed. After that, consume 5 to 10 minutes of the time you want to meet your woman. You will always remember that Rhoda-b says this, my darling, you will perform, or you will do better than never before. You're going to do it to an extent that even you as a man, you keep on wondering that, are you the one doing this or is someone else? That is the power in those 3 foods, or in those 3 things I listed for you. Okay, I want to hear from you at the comment section if you have tried it before and it works for you, starting from clove and honey, or starting from ginger tea, or this cucumber, the last one I mentioned. If you have taken it before to enhance your sexual performance and it works very well for you, I want to know at the comment section. And if you want to consider these 3 things that I've listed that can help to enhance your sexual performance in the other room, let me as well know at the comment section. And when you try it and it works for you, don't forget to come back to thank me. These things are tested and trusted. A guy have tried it before and it works for him. I prescribed it for him in my WhatsApp DM and it works for him. So I say, let me come and share the good news to my online family. When you try it and it works for you, my darling, come back and share your testimony with me, because those are the things that is going to motivate me to do more. Till I come your way next time. And if you are seeing my beautiful face for the first time, my darling, do well to hit the subscription bell to join the family. And if you are my returning subscriber, God bless you and God replenish you. This brings us to the end of this video. Just know that I love you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. Shalom. Till I come your way next time. Bye.
Thankful for my fans each day. Let's rock this Q&A Friday.